Yo, this is for educational purposes only. I do not take ownership of any music or apps besides that of my own. All rights reserved. With that being said, subscribe! What's up, good people? Penguin Pierre. So, we finally doing 6ix9ine GUMMO instrumental. How to sound like 6ix9ine. So, this is very, very difficult. Like, I had to let out my emotion. Like, it was very hard. First of all, if you don't know who 6ix9ine is, this is the guy. Yep, he's the guy that went to jail and whatnot. The snitch. I don't know. I don't care. I wasn't there. So anyway, let's just get through the video and let me just finally let you listen to how it sounds. This is the end product. Let's go.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
These niggas like a really nigga, you a silly nigga in the hood with a belly niggas and them hoover niggas. You went up and they show the niggas me and whooping nigga. You can't be, you would lose a nigga up there oozing nigga. On the stoop, girls on my Georgia girl on my phone, she wanna fuck but keep it close on. I only want the job, man. That's really all I use it for. They can't go out the door. I don't want it, you can keep the whole shit ready for some more. In New York, my niggas don't really rock my niggas money pop. No one case a nigga throw a shot, I run him off the block. Put a million in the stash box, I'm riding from a spot. Niggas talking about the cash, by my bag, what the lot. I don't fuck with no old hoes, only you hoes. Put my dick in the bag while I pass it on my bro. I don't love her, that's a sad hoe. She a bad hoe. I'ma fuck her and I dash home to the cash home. I want some robbing nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch, do the dash in the whip, cut the cash in the whip. I pull it, put a stick, I let that shit hit. Shut up, but I fuck that nigga bitch. Niggas iffy Blicky got the stiffy got the blicky drop me holding 50 move a billy, all my niggas on 50 talk down, you silly hit a stain, 50 bands on hundreds, slipping through your block like a pop shoving. Shooting me, I'm shooting back, I'm getting buckets. I don't wanna take it, stop a nigga, fuck, I'm on some robber nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch, do the dash in the whip, cut the cash in the whip. I pull up with a stick, I let that shit hit. Stop, but I fuck that nigga bitch, I'm on some robber nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch, do the dash in the whip, cut the cash in the whip. I pull up with a stick, I let the shit hit. Stop. But I fuck that nigga bitch, shit, woo. Skull gang. Damn, that was hard, fuck. Yo, when I said that was hard, it was seriously hard. Like, this is the hardest. So, first thing you need to do, you need to normalize your vocals. So, how we do that? You ain't gonna hear me. Alright, so now that out the door, I don't know what I just said, but after you normalize, I'm going to show you. Okay, take a screenshot of that. Track 2, 1, 2, 3, and there we are. Chorus, we got our chorus. We got the mix on 22%, frequency on 4.93 hertz. Level is 100, and then in the middle, the depth is 77, and the sweep depth is 14 MSEC. Whether it's milliseconds or what, I don't really care. Tone booster, woo, we're going loud over here. What I need you to do is make sure that your ratio is on 9.2, but it actually should be on like 9.1. So let me just try to fix that. Yeah, 9.1. Your makeup is on 16.9 dB. Your range is on 43.2 dB. Your wet out is at 100%. Your attack is at 9 ms. Your sidechain is at 525 hertz. And your threshold is at negative 24.8 dB. So we're going to head over to the vocal tune right now. So the vocal tune, it is D minor. This is the key of the beat. So before you actually put this on your instrumental, make sure you're in the correct key. But the rest of the settings are as follows. Smoothing is, there's not much of like auto tune there, so it's more about like pitch correction and syncing alongside with the beat. So let me show you what else I did. Oh, this is the backup part. I kind of like duplicated the first track and then I just cut out the parts that I didn't need here. So this is the same for the backup part, which I kind of like played around so you can do anything you want until you find the right sound. I did what was best for me, and as you can hear, it's kind of shitty. But anyways, the delay on the backup is a 430 milliseconds, whatever you want to call it. Mix is 10%, and the feedback is 11%. Tone booster, same as the other one, and then the vocal tune, same as the other one. Next thing you're going to head over to is you're going to head over to our group 2, our bus, vroom, 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 school bus. Okay, tone booster, reverb, you have to take a screenshot of this because the reverb tally is at 8.4 seconds, damn frequency is 7059 hertz, the character is at 89.7%, shape 32.1%. I don't know why I'm actually saying this because you can actually see it for yourself, so just take a screenshot and blah blah blah. Next thing is the tone booster de-esser. You don't really do much about this, you just like put it on and then it does it for you. Tone booster barricade. Okay, I need you to take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this because I need you to take a screenshot of this. These are my settings, so take a screenshot of this. Okay. Then over here, we did this so that this could happen and that this. Yeah, take a screenshot of that. Do not ask me too many questions, like it's kind of magical, so I want you to have like the same kind of magical. So what I want us to do right now is turn off the bus send of both over here, and I'm going to switch off okay, I'm just going to leave, but I'm going to switch off all the effects, and then we're going to, because that's what I do, how I make it real, bro. Okay, we're going to start from here, we're going to start from there, and then let go. Pop these niggas like a wheelie nigga, you a silly nigga in the hood with a belly niggas and them hooping niggas. You went up and they shooting niggas, me and hooping nigga. You can't be, you a loser nigga, up there oozing nigga. On the stoop, girls on my Georgia girl, on my phone, she wanna fuck but keep it clothes on. I only want the job, and that's really all I use it for. They kick her out the door. I don't want it, you can keep the horse, she faded for some more. In New York, my niggas don't let me rock my niggas, money pop. In case a nigga throw a shot, I run him off the block. Put a nigga in his dash, pop a ride from a spot. Niggas talking about the cash, buy my bag worth a lot. I don't fucking know old hoes, only you hoes. Put my dick in the bag, but I pass it on my bro. I don't love her, that's a sad hoe. She a bad hoe, I'ma fuck it on a dash. Alright, so as you can hear, that's how it sounds. So now let's listen to it alongside with the beat. With the right effects actually. Only this part. To the cash on my muscle, rob a nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch, do the dash. Okay, that was a mistake. I didn't want to record, I just wanted to play. To the cash on my muscle, rob a nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch, do the dash in the whip. Cut the cash in the whip. I pull it with a stick, I let that shit hit. Shut up, but I fuck that nigga bitch. Niggas iffy Blicky got the stiffy got the blicky drop me holding 50 moving Billy on my niggas on 50 talk down, you silly here to stay 50 bands on hundreds, stepping through your block like a pop, shove it, shooting me, I'm shooting back, I'm getting buckets. I ain't wanna take his left, but nigga fuck, I'm on some robber nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch, do the dash in the whip, cut the cash in the whip. I pull up with a stick, I let that shit hit. Stop, but I fuck that nigga bitch, I'm on some robbing nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch, do the dash in the whip, cut the cash in the whip. I pull up with a stick, I let the shit hit. Stop, but I fuck that nigga bitch. Shit, woo. So, yeah, that's how ridiculous it sounds. I'm joking, it pretty sounds great. What did I just say? Anyways, it sounds pretty great, and yeah, thanks for watching, and that's how You know, I actually lost my voice trying to sound like this guy. Like, this motherfucker. Damn, y'all need some likes, guys. Need some likes. Woo! I lost my voice.
Make it big, I probably build a castle. I make choices and I set my goals, cause I don't do bets and I don't do raffles. 8 a.m. and I'm craving waffles. Give me breakfast, don't give me assholes. I don't care much about roll-ups. So if it's black and white, color it with pastels. I guess I've been hot since I made the heater. I've been electrifying since I made the taser. I've been headed bunny since I made the laser. I've been fire since I made the ladder. I've been writing since I made the paper. Whoa, now it's cornerstone and I'm feeling kinda hyper.